Bookstore Bunnies. Bookstore Bunnies open at 9. Skunk and Gator both wait in line. Cat wants a book of ABCs. Dog wants a book on ticks and fleas. Owl wants a book on being wise. Frog wants a book on catching flies. Mouse wants a book about grilled cheese. Bear wants a book on saying please. Skunk wants a book from the highest shelf. Bookstore bunnies hop up to help. Then story hour begins at 4. Chicks and ducks rush through the door. Chicks and ducks sit in each row. The book is almost full of things that go. We love that book, quack the ducks. Chicks love to learn about big trucks. Now it is time to end the day. Bookstore bunnies put books away. Bookstore bunny closes the front door. Soon they will all read some more. Thank you very much for joining me today in reading Bookstore Bunnies. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.